Whenever you're working with a membership or association system, many times you will have a scenario where you may have chapters or affiliates or different groups or subgroups within the organization. These could be different locations in different countries. These could be, again, different regions or chapters. And the ability to allow the chapters, subgroups, affiliates, whatever the label is, to be able to bulk upload specific customers into that chapter or group. This can be a really key aspect to keeping things running smoothly. In this particular screen, you can see that we've enabled a particular user as they're logged in to go to their dashboard and create additional customers within their group and do a bulk upload for this. Now, you can also see this as an opportunity for internal CSRs, sales team members, or relevant parties within your membership or association organization to do this as well. So what would the scenarios be either now or as you grow where you could really benefit from making a self-service process for either internal team members or for external chapter members, affiliates, branches, etc., to be able to do this kind of thing? Now, one of the things whenever you're doing a import or a bulk upload is this can be done either manually, item by item, can be done with a bulk upload where they can download a template and fill it in, or it can be done via API or integration. Now, all three of these can be parallel options that you offer at the same time. It doesn't have to be exclusive of each other. But ultimately, we highly encourage you to think about scenarios where you're going to have members renewing. Maybe they're going to physical meetings or remote meetings, and they're going to be signing up in bulk. And how are you going to enable the different chapters and groups and affiliates to be able to bring these members in seamlessly without a lot of overhead for them? The other thing that we'll point out about this process is once they've actually been imported, being able to then manage them and access their status and be able to see what their actual creation date was of their account, what they're associated to as far as the organization, the chapter, the branch, etc., and be able to drill in individually and manage access to different aspects of your system. Being able to do all of this in bulk, but then drill down individually and access specific aspects of it is really important for either internal or chapter management of these different regions and subgroups within your association or membership platform. If you have these needs, we highly encourage you to be thinking about making it as self-service as possible. In addition, it's really important that the notifications that are tied to some of the different status and steps within this be as informative and really manage expectations as well as possible. Think about it. If a member is being created through a bulk upload, we don't want to send them a bunch of emails, but we also want to keep them informed so they know, hey, your membership was created by your chapter president, for example, or from the head of this region. And guess what? Congratulations, you're going to get access to everything as soon as this payment is processed in 24 to 48 hours typically. You'll also receive a notification if in the rare event your payment wasn't processed successfully and presented with options to be able to reconcile that. That's just one example of a notification that might make sense. These are the types of things that we want to be thinking about and talking about so that we can really smooth the process, reduce the friction, and make the user's experience as positive as possible. Okay, with that said, we look forward to seeing you in the next video. Thanks for watching this one, and bye for now.